Sometimes in the interview, they'll ask you about how you balance your life and your work. Now, this question has a few layers. At the most basic, it's really a question about how you manage your time and how you prioritize when you have different responsibilities. Sometimes they'll just ask this question about your prioritization straight out, which I talk about in this video right here. Another reason they ask this question is to see if there are any major areas of your life that will impact your ability to work. For example, they might be fishing to hear stuff like,
"Well, it's actually important for me that I'm able to leave work every day at around 2:30. I need to pick up my dog from doggy daycare." And we can accommodate that schedule. We've got a bunch of people who come into work early and leave work early. Ooh, so I do actually have a no work before 10 a.m. policy as well. Work-life balance.
Whatever the case, this is really a question to disqualify you as a candidate, not to learn more about you as a person. So just use some canned answer, like, "When I'm not working, I try to go to the gym and I enjoy spending time with friends and family to relax. I'm a hard worker and I find that I can get so into my work that I can lose track of time. And for that reason, I also use a planner to prioritize my tasks. But I also like to leave enough open space just to be flexible for when emergencies inevitably come up." This really doesn't tell them anything, and it implies that you're an organized, hard worker. Ideally, you're going to want to get across that your work and home life won't interfere with each other. And this is really where the interview response needs to end. Honestly, they don't need to know much about your home life. All they need to know is that you'll do the job that you're applying for. And for that reason, I try to keep this interview response short and sweet. But if you were to just ask me about my work-life balance and we weren't in a job interview, I'd say it's not something you really need to focus on balancing. Personally, I identify with my job. It is a part of my life. It's easy to think that that's not healthy, right? We work to live, not live to work, right? And all that stuff, right? But doing this creates a dichotomy that doesn't need to be there. Nobody asks you what your food-sleep balance is because it's not food versus sleep. They're both simply a part of your life. And the second you separate anything from your life, it's going to be in conflict with whatever it is you do consider your life. In the same way that it's not work versus life. They're linked. I understand the desire to eliminate work, thinking that it would make life better. But ideally, your job can be something that you enjoy. And if not enjoy, it can be something that you find some sort of fulfillment in. Do I love software development? No. No, I do not. But I do find fulfillment in solving issues, working closely with others, and constantly learning new skills. Sure, there's countless ways that I could probably achieve these things, but I also enjoy having money to pay my mortgage. And I don't view those things as conflicting with my life. There's a great TED Talk that I think sums it up pretty well, and I'll leave a link in the description. But this turned into a little bit different of a video than I originally planned for, but even so. Hopefully you still got an understanding of what they're actually looking for when asking about how you personally balance your life and your work. If you're looking for more ways to answer common interview questions, check out this playlist right here. Or if you just want a list of sample answers, there's a free list of sample answers that you can find in the description. Either way, I hope to see you again soon. Good luck in your upcoming interview.